everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you how to prepare your lawnmower for the spring. So let's get started. I trust this video was informative. If you haven't already, check out the other videos in the spring edition of my lawn care and backyard series. A suggested video link to this series has been placed throughout this video in the upper right hand corner of your screen. I have also placed thumbnail links to the series at the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, be blessed.